Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we have a new DIY box from Simply Earth Essential Oils. This is the DIY Loofah Melt and Pour Soap Kit. This is a big one, it's hefty. I'm excited to see what's in it. So make your own all-natural loofah soap. Ingredients included to create 12 loofah soaps. That's cool. 100% pure ylang-ylang and blood orange essential oils. All right, here's inside the box. I have this mold to make the 12 soaps. Oh my gosh, we have the loofah sponges. These are so cute. We have soap wraps. So like the picture on the front of this, we get to wrap them so we can gift them, which is really cool. We have tiger orange mica powder, pearl mica powder, and fuchsia mica powder. We have Perfumer's alcohol, which I love this product. I'm so glad they came out with this. I use this a lot in making different recipes. And we have one box that has some essential oils, a little spray top. So we get, I think, blood orange and ylang-ylang. Blood orange. Ylang-ylang is such a nice, light floral. Be perfect for this soap making. We have the recipe card. This is a big kit, and then we get the labels. So you're making 12, so there's 12 labels to put onto the wrap after you were all complete. This is what is so heavy because we need so much of this to make 12. This is the Melt and Pour soap. This is a glycerin base. And it needs some scissors. Oh my goodness. This is the biggest chunk of this I've ever seen. So we're getting a huge hunk of the Melt and Pour. So on the recipe card, let's see what we're going to do. So it's going to take 15 minutes. The shelf life is 1 year, and the dilution rate is 2.8%. So we have everything to make 12. We're going to place one piece of loofah into each cavity of the mold, and some loofah pieces may be slightly too large. If necessary, use sharp scissors to trim. Use scissors to trim the straw of the spray nozzle to fit onto the Perfumer's alcohol. I was wondering about that sprayer. Attach and then spray the prepared molds with the alcohol, then set them aside. Cut and weigh out 20 ounces of soap base, or cut the soap base into thirds. Place 1/3 of the soap back into the original packaging for future DIY soap projects. We're getting a little bit more than we need. Cut the remaining 20 ounces, 2/3 of this into 1-inch cubes. Melt the soap in a double boiler or microwave every 30 seconds, like in intervals. It's best, guys, to just use a double boiler. I will show you my setup in a minute. It's really quite easy. Once the soap is just melted, remove from heat. Add essential oils, stir, take 3 medium heat-proof pitchers or liquid measuring cups from your home. Divide the soap into 3 pitchers. In each pitcher, add 1 shade of the mica powder and stir. Then simultaneously pour soap from the 2 pitchers into a single cavity so that you end up with 2 colors swirled together. That's going to be cool. Alternate between the 3 pitchers of soap until each cavity is full. Remelt the soap as needed. If you end up with any extra, pour the soap in a separate mold. So we get a lot of different molds and different recipe boxes, so you should have some on hand. Lightly spritz Perfumer's alcohol on top. The soap bars to remove any bubbles. Allow the soap to cool and set. Once the soap is set, remove it from the mold. And then to package, you're going to place it into the soap wraps, wrap it around. The liner won't quite cover the entire soap, and then you secure it by adding the sticker to the top. It sounds pretty simple. And then tips are, don't shove these into the mold. It's better to cut. And then it's really easy to overheat this soap. So like I said, double boiler is best. And make sure you're doing it very low and slowly heating the soap melt. So I will gather everything and get ready to make this DIY, and I might just do a voiceover or music to it, but I will show you guys how easy it is to make this. Okay, the first thing that you do is take all of the loofah sponges out of the baggie that it came in. You're going to need to trim all of them, or most of them, to make sure they fit the molds. And this is just to ensure that when the soap solidifies, they'll fit into the wrappers that they provide. If you don't care about wrapping them up, you can just stuff the loofahs in to the mold. And then after you place all of the loofahs into all 12 mold slots or spaces, you're going to spray it with the Perfumer's alcohol. And then I took the Melt and Pour soap and I already chunked it up into 3. So right here is just 2/3 of the total that they give you, and then I'm just dicing this amount into 1-inch cubes like it tells you to do on the recipe card. Now, I do not usually make this big of quantity of products, so my double boiler was too small for this. I tried to put all of the soap in at once, and that was just, I knew it wasn't going to work. So you'll see halfway through, actually here I've already taken half of the soap chunks out, so I did this half and half basically is what I'm saying. So I just took that off the boiler and then put in half the amount of essential oils, poured them over the loofahs, and then you'll see again I take another batch off of the heat and finish filling the molds. So you're just going to make sure you add in the correct amount of essential oils if you have to do this half and half also, and then make sure you stir really well before you pour into the molds. Another thing that you'll notice is I'm not adding any of the mica powder. I just chose to opt out of that, but if you want your soaps to be cute and swirled with different colors, then just follow the directions. They are simple. You just kind of separate after everything's melted and add different color mica powders. It's really easy. Okay, after everything is cooled, you're just gonna pop them out of the molds. They pop out really easily. I like how these turned out. I like how they're clear, and you can see the loofah in there really well. I think they just turned out really neat. I definitely think this is an easier DIY, and I would definitely do it again. Use a double boiler though. I have tried to use microwave intervals for this melt and pour, and it didn't work out. But overall, I really loved this. The wrappers were really easy to put on. You just kind of fold it over, and then the sticker that they give you just seals it all together. But I think once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. These would make a great gift for any holiday or just a teacher gift or really anything. I love soap making now after having a good experience with this one. What do you guys think? That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Are you going to get this kit and try it yourself? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. I hope you have a good day. Bye.